Hi, Stefan Svartling here. Once again I had a discussion on Google Plus about native apps versus HTML5 Web Apps. To me, HTML5 Web Apps will never succeed because developers can't earn money. The only way I can see you can earn money on web apps is with subscription services. And how many subscription services can a user take? I mean, I have bought over 300 apps for my iOS devices, and if all those would have been subscription service, how should I could pay for all these? I would be ruined by now. It's not possible. You can't have subscription service for everything. That's not possible. That's why I don't believe in HTML5 web apps, because developers needs to earn money to pay rents and food on the table. Native apps is so much better for the developer and the user. You pay one-time fee and get unlimited updates, lifetime updates for an app you have bought once. No need for some subscription services. Native apps is here to stay for a very, very long time still. HTML5 web apps maybe be a lot better now. You can make really great web apps, but how will you earn money on them? It's not possible. Not all can have subscription service. And many web apps is made for Chrome. Then you need to use a specific browser, and that browser is not even available on iOS, so you can't make a web app like a Chrome app. And what's the difference then? A native app or a Chrome app? No difference. I can't see any difference, because you're forced to use a specific browser for a Chrome app. A native app is made for a specific OS. Where is the difference? I don't see any difference. So normal web apps, okay, I understand it could be the future, but you need to be able to install them as native apps and buy them for a one-time fee somehow. For example, if you made some kind of UI there where you can install web apps, so you can buy web apps in an app store and install them into this UI. Then maybe I think HTML5 web apps could succeed, but as it's made now, where you use a web app in a browser, that will not work, because you can't earn money on those apps. That's a fact. There is no way you can earn money on a web app unless for a subscription. And I ask you a question now: how many subscriptions will you have total? Personally, I say 4 at the most, not more than 4. And that means you can only buy 4 web apps. And I need a lot more apps than 4 apps. It's not possible for me. So native apps wins big. No question about it. Native apps will be #1 for many years still. Web apps can never succeed if you can't get pay for the app. So the Apple way of doing it with the app stores for both Mac and iOS devices is a success. That's a fact. Very successful for both developers and users. The developers gets rich, very rich, no question about it. And the users like to have an easy way to buy and install apps. That's why the Apple way of doing it is a success. HTML5 web apps has a long, long way to go. Okay. Tell me in the comments what you think, and please like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.